Hyundai's new AI-based robot charge for the Ioniq 6. So it just creeps out there and finds the port. Another one of these guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a robot with wheels goes up to your car and just like penetrates it.
Hey, man. Jeez, dude.
That's what it does, though.
Well, sure, that's what it does. This is the idea of a full-service charge station. You don't get out. You don't click in. Robot takes care of it. You just roll up, and it will identify the correct port.
Oh, sorry. This one doesn't have wheels. But
Yeah.
It's stationary, but it has a robot arm.
Yeah, robotic arm. Well, you recall Tesla was showing off something like this once upon a time. Obviously, it didn't take off or anything.
It's like the Tesla snake or something.
It looked like a snake. That's exactly what it looked like. Yeah. A little snake kind of wobbling towards your charge port. Mm-hmm. This was a famous clip. Look at this thing. 8 million views. People were like, wow, is this coming out? And never really transpired. But you could imagine you just roll up and the rest takes care of itself. Or if you roll up at home or whatever. I don't know how feasible this is compared to just wireless, because you've seen people show off wireless too. You kind of roll up over top of something similar to how you would wirelessly charge your phone. You just drive over top of it and it charges that way, but you got to believe that's going to be slow. Anyway, Hyundai Motor Group, including Kia and Genesis brands, became the third largest automaker globally, surpassing GM, Nissan, and Stellantis in annual volume in 2022. Shout out, Korea. Hyundai carried the unique design of the Ioniq 6 electric sedan. Where's the part about your stinking charger? They were going to change the game with another bold idea, an EV charging robot. But is this more of a show-off fest, or is this a real thing we're going to bring to the table?
I think this is just proof of concept. I don't think it's going to be out anytime soon.
Let's play the clip. Let's see what they say.
Okay, I'm just going to mute this.
Why, dude? Didn't you hear those?
It's just,
Didn't you hear
copyright.
those? Oh, look at this. Little control. Oh, baby. Here we go. Walk away.
Did she have a controller for her car?
She did.
It's not even a phone?
Walk away. Oh, it identifies. Here's my port. Kadoosh. Insertion complete.
Hey.
No, that's fair. That's what it says. And then the little identifier on the side. Oh!
Huh?
Oh, anomaly detection. It yelled at the guy who was carrying the box. Like, hey, you can't go here.
Oh.
Anyone who's going to kind of interfere.
So proximity sensor.
Yeah, interfere with your charging. Futuristic. Robots charge the car. I come back. It says, bye. I just had a coffee. I don't know what else I had. Maybe a sandwich.
That's really useful.
It is, but
in Canadian winters?
Dude, they are having a hard enough time just rolling out enough charging stations. Can you imagine? They're also like, well, each one's going to be all robotic. You're like, okay.
Blows up.
You're like, okay.
You come back, car's scorched.
Let's do step one first. I like it. Proof of concept, fantastic. Let's do we got to do step one,